everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Wise.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to sign up or create a new account for Wise.com, go ahead and open up a web browser. Soon after you open up a web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.wise.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Wise.com, which looks like this. From the official web page, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the register link. In order to create a new account, you'll need to first enter your email address in the text box appearing on the screen. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to, and you can click on the next button. You can also log in with your existing Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. Once you click the next button, on the next page, select what kind of an account you'd like to open today. You can choose between personal and business. Make your selection and give your selection a click. And now, choose your country from the drop-down. Click on the continue button after making your selection. On the next page, you'll need to verify your phone number with a code. Go ahead and select your country code from the drop-down and enter your phone number in the text box. Make sure to enter a valid phone number and click on Send Verification Code. Now, type in a 6-digit security code that you received via text message. After you are done, click Submit. On the next page, you'll need to create a password for your account. Make sure that your password contains a letter, a number, and it must be minimum of 9 characters. After you create a secure password, click the Continue button. Once you are done with the registration process, you'll see this message pop up and you'll be redirected to this page. Now, you can easily send and receive money internationally using a bank account, wire transfer, debit or credit card, international SWIFT network, and so much more. Now go ahead and enter the amount of money you'd like to transfer. Click Continue and select your transfer type from the options. Fill in your details on the next page and make sure to enter the correct information. After filling in all of the details, click Continue. Select who you are trying to send the money to from the next page and enter your details in the pop-up. Enter the name of the account holder, bank's name, enter account number on the next field, and click the Confirm button in order to send money from Wise. Complete setting up your account, and that is how you can easily sign up for Wise.com account, quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. To log into your Wise account on a web browser is pretty simple. Open up a web browser of your choice first, and in the URL box type in Wise.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official site of Wise.com account, go to the top right hand corner and click the login link. You need to enter your email address followed by your password on the next page. Go to the first text box and type in your email address associated with your account. Once you are done, head over to your password text box and type in your password correct as well. If you don't remember your password, click on this trouble login in link at the bottom and follow the instructions in order to look for your password. You can also log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple account. Simply choose the option that you selected while signing up for the account and you'll be able to get access to your account right away. Once you're done entering the credentials, if you'd like the system to remember your credentials for you, make sure to leave this box that says Remember Me checked. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave this box unchecked for your security. After typing in your credential, click the login button and go ahead and open up your email associated with your Wise.com account. Open up a new tab and log into your email account associated with Wise.com and open up your inbox. Click on the email that you received from Wise and confirm your email address by clicking on Confirm Your Email. Once you're done with your email verification, click Continue. Now, you also need to enter the security code that has been sent to the mobile number associated with Wise.com. Enter the code that you received in the text box and click Done. After verifying your phone number and your email, you'll be able to log into your Wise.com account, change your language on your Wise account, open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in Wise.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Wise.com account. And once you are, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your name. From the pop-up, select Settings. From your settings menu, select language settings and give it a click. From the drop-down, choose the language of your preference and click on Save. That way, you can easily change your language on your Wise account. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in wise.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you are inside your home page, also make sure that you are logged into your wise.com account, and from the main home page, go and click on your name at the top right. Click on Your Details option. In the pop-up, select Edit Details option right next to Personal Information. You need to enter your password for your wise.com account in order to access your account details. Enter your password here in the password text field and click on Done. Now from the screen, you can easily change your legal name. Go to the first text box and type in your name that you'd like to change to, and after you are done, select Save at the top right. Once you've made these changes, you'll be able to see your name change for your wise.com account. Go to the home page and you'll be able to see the change that you made at the top right. That's how you can easily change your name on Wise account. Open up a web browser of your choice to get started. Go to the URL box and type in wise.com and press enter on your keyboard, and also make sure to log into your wise.com account. Once you're inside, in the main home page, go to the top right hand corner and click on your name. From the pop-up, select Settings and click it on. From the Settings menu, select Change Password. Then after you click the button, your current password and new password text box will appear. In the first text box, type in your current password for your wise.com account. Once you enter your current password, head over to the next field and type in the new password you are trying to change to. Make sure the password meets the criteria, and you can also double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. After you are done, click the Save button and you'll be able to change your password for your wise.com account. You'll be redirected to the login area. Go ahead and enter your email address and type in your new password into your password text box, and finally click the login button. And that way, you'll be able to log in back again to your wise.com account with a new password. I hope you learned how to change your password for your Wise account. To convert your currency on wise.com account, open up a web browser first. Also make sure that you are logged into your wise.com account. From the main homepage of Wise, go ahead and select which balance you'd like to convert from. You can select any option of your choice. In my case, I'm going to select the USD. Once you end up in the screen, you'll be able to see the available balance on the top of the screen right in front of your currency. In order to convert your currency, you'll first need to have some balance on your account. If you don't have any, the convert button will not activate and you won't be able to make any kind of a conversion. But if there's money on your balance, simply click on the convert button and enter the amount you would like to convert from and choose the currency you'd like to convert to. Simply confirm and review the conversion, and that's how it can be done. I hope you learned how to easily convert currency on your wise.com account. If you want to check your balance on your wise.com account for a particular currency, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you're logged in to your Wise account. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in wise.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your wise.com account, and once you are inside the main home page, go ahead and select one of the balances right under the account header. Select any one currency and you'll be able to see the available balance for your particular currency displayed right under your currency at the top. That way you can easily view or check your balance on wise.com account. That is how it can be done. There are a couple of different ways you can easily add money on your Wise balance, but here's the easiest and quickest method. Simply open up a web browser and go to the URL box and type in wise.com, press enter on your keyboard and make sure that you are logged into your Wise account as well. If you have not yet, simply go and click on the login option and enter your credentials in the text boxes. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and click login and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page of Wise accounts, go ahead and click open the balance you'd like to add money to. In my case, I've opened USD over here. Now click on the add option appearing on the display and type in the amount you'd like to add in the add text box. Once you've chosen how much you'd like to add, select your currency from the drop-down that you'd like to pay with. Once you've entered your information in the text box, click on the Continue button in order to make your payment. You also need to identify yourself. Choose one of the options in order to get a link, and you'll need to take a picture of your document and face video photo, and once you verify your identity, you can go ahead and enter the payment area. To verify with email, click on Get Link by Email. In order to verify with a QR code, click on the Scan a QR code option. Once you make a selection, go ahead and verify your identity. Open up your email inbox and open up the message that has been sent to you by Wise. Once you open up the link, you'll need to click on this Verify Your ID and finish your identity verification. Once you go through the on-screen prompts and verify your identity, select I've finished verifying. And depending on how you'd like to pay, you'll be guided through the payment steps. That is how you can easily add money on your Wise account. Have a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in wise.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your wise.com account. And once you are in the main home page, click the Recipients button on the left-hand side of the screen. At the very top, click on Add Your Bank Account option. Now, choose the currency from the drop-down that you are using currently. Once you select the currency of your choice, go ahead and enter the full name of the account number. That means you'll need to enter your full name in the first text box, and also make sure to type in the same name that your bank account holds. Once you do that, go to the next field and choose your bank name. Enter your account number. All you need to do here is to simply follow the on-screen prompts and click on the Confirm button in order to add a bank account on your wise.com account. Open up a web browser to begin. Also make sure to be on the home page of wise.com account, and once you are inside the main home page, go and click on your name appearing at the top right hand corner of your screen. Give it a click, and in the pop-up, you'll be able to see a Logout button. Click on Logout, but make sure that you remember your credential for your wise.com account if you want to get back to your account. Once you click on the Logout button, you'll end up in the official page. To log in back again, click the login link at the top right and follow the on-screen prompts till the end. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your wise.com account if you no longer want to use it anymore. Watch the tutorial till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in wise.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also, make sure to log into your wise.com account that you'd want to close or delete. From the main homepage of Wise account, go to the top right hand corner and click on your name. In the pop-up that appears on the display, click on Settings. Scroll all the way down from the settings page and you'll be able to see an option that says close your account. Simply give it a click and click the Continue button popping up at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and select one of the options while you're trying to close your account, and once you make your selection, select Close Account button at the bottom. If you're having issues with your account and you'd like to update your account information, you can chat with the support agent. Click on the Chat with an Agent option if you want to solve the issue regarding your account, or if you simply want to delete your account. Click on Continue with Account Closure. It says that you won't be able to open a new account, but if you wish to continue using your account in the future, you'll need to reactivate the same account for Wise. To move forward and close your account, click Continue with Account Closure. You'll also lose access to your activity and transaction history if you continue closing your account. If you change your mind and you'd like to keep the account open and cancel your account deletion, click on Keep Account Open. Or if you want to still delete your account, click on Close Account. Soon after you make all of these selections, you'll be able to close your account for wise.com. Click on the Done button, and that way you can easily delete your wise.com account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.